Hey everybody, it's Sew Pretti again, back with another video. This is a video of me showing you how to install my lace frontal wig. This is a custom made unit that I made. I added just a little color in the front. I saw Young Africana do this, so I wanted to try it. I thought it was really cute. So I added the red strips in the front. I also here am showing you how I cut off my lace. Off my wig. For the most part, when I have my videos, you may not see me cut off lace anymore after this, because I prefer to just go ahead and cut my lace off and install my wigs that way, instead of cutting the lace off once I install them, if that makes sense. But I've already cleaned my skin off. As you can see right here, I'm going to show you what I cleaned my skin off in just a second. I'm not going to mold my caps down. I don't prefer molding it down. I don't have to, and I just don't like molding them down. I don't wear my wigs for a long period of time, as you know, some other people, I change it up, but the only time if I do mold it down, it will be if I'm going to a big event or something like that, and I'm going to be gone for a long period of time. And right there, I'm just showing you how I cut off my lace off the ear tabs, and then it's going to go back to the regular clip. So yeah, I'll be back in just a second. Just continue to watch, and if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, share my channel, and shop with me at hairsewpretti.com. Okay, so here I'm just spreading the glue with my finger, as I've been doing lately. I find that more easier, and the glue dries a little quicker with me doing that. Make sure that when you do that, that each layer that you put on is clear. I can't stress that enough. Make sure the adhesive is clear. And here I'm just one curling my hair. I'm gonna one curl it all the way through, and then the front I'm gonna use my barrel curlers. It was just something, I was bored, something I could do, you know, to make a video. So this will be a real quick, short video. But I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Again, shop with me at hairsewpretti.com. Follow me on my social medias at hairsewpretti. That's 3 words. And for Instagram, it's hair_sewpretti. So I'm on Twitter, Snapchat, I'm on TikTok, and of course I'm on Facebook at Hair Sew Pretti. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share my channel. And if you have any questions, leave them below. Thanks. Alright, this is pretty much the end of the video. I was just checking myself out. I was feeling myself a little bit with this color. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment so that, you know, we can interact with each other. And don't forget to shop with me at hairsewpretti.com. Oh, and don't forget to share my video.